Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Indigama. Welcome back to another video on how to fix something on your PC. Now, that is not what I was supposed to say, but I did say it. So, this is just how to fix your mic. I'm making this video because one of my cousins having problems with his mic, which makes no sense. You see, PC do have a mic in it, but it's not working for his. So, I'm going to show a few fixes and I'm going to explain of why the mic had problems with me. Now this mic I'm using is a mic I built for my other channel, so yeah, I'm using a homemade mic, which it doesn't sound too bad if you have this app which is called Voicemeeter. You could just enhance all this. So yeah, so other than that, you want to go and right click on the sound area here and click open sound settings. Now the reason why this didn't work last time in the other old computer I had is because I had every other sound enabled, so it disabled my actual mic, which is annoying. This is not the setting, but oh wait, yeah, this we're gonna start with first. Now the output is the speakers. Obviously it had to be like with Relic or the speaker. The output is the sound that is going to, like the headphones I wear now, that is the output. So I want to set the speakers, because if I right click back on this and click on sounds, you will see another window, a different kind of setting window opening up on this side somewhere here. Today would be nice. Thank you. So playback is the sound you're using for your speakers. So obviously I have the speakers connected right now. This is the, I don't need this, I don't know where this yet. So for the recording is for the mic. Obviously you have to make your speakers working for the mic first. So wait, I just noticed I don't need to have this sound thing on because I'm not even using this to record my mic right now, so you can hear all the background sounds. Shoot. Okay, so this is just a voice filter. So this is the mic you can see I'm using right now. Once I connect it, it will show up here. You just need to like make some sound, and you can see it with the bar going up. It's detecting sound. So I'm going to open this by double clicking on it, or you can just click on properties down here. So for the general now, you could change. This is not important. Just make sure it is set to enabled, and this is where it's going to be located to plug in the jack. For listening, this is just to test it, so you gotta be careful. Never bring your mic or your speakers. Actually, if you have a speaker, don't bring your mic close to it. It will damage it. So if I click this, you can hear the echo in my voice. So you can hear me now. So if I bring my headphone, listen to what happens when I bring my headphones close to my mic. Headphone users, please, you are warned. Okay, that's my ears from quite here. So let me disable this. There we go. So this is just, I don't know why this keeps disappearing and reappearing. So this is just the boost on how loud they want it to be. This is the microphone volume, this is the boost. Now this has a really good volume boost, I think, because this is the type of mic I use. Yeah, ignore that. So this is just the enhancement. So now I set the immediate mode is where you don't have no delay on your voice when it's recording. Like if I use my webcam now, right after you see my mouth make movement, you can hear the voice after that. This is noise suppression, no less background noise. This is echo calculation, so you won't hear my voice twice. The advanced setting is just the quality. You can change this to how you like. This is simple. Just make sure, like I said, wait, cancel, huh? Is my voice still, yeah. So if you want to make sure your mic is working, obviously you need to check this area here. Once you see one of these bars going up on recording side, on the recording area, it works. You just need to open it, change the settings, and test it with the listening part, the playback, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's it for this video. This is just for John. Please be careful though, and thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.